This one skill will help you stand out in 2026 if you're a college student or early in career. It's going to be the most critical skill in every big tech companies asking their employees to upskill in this skill and use it on daily basis. At Microsoft also, as a software engineer, I use this skill and trying to get better at it every day. And the skill is AI orchestration. But what is AI orchestration? What is the eligibility to learn this? How you can learn this? I will cover everything in this particular video. We have proprietary tool at our company to do and learn and implement AI orchestration, but I will help you with external tools which are available in the market to upskill and grow and how you can become an AI orchestration expert. It's going to be an amazing video. Make sure to watch till the end. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Kushal Vijay. I work as a software engineer for Microsoft and I create educational content here. Let's get started without any further ado. So let's understand with an example what is AI orchestration. You go to any AI tool, you use ChatGPT or any other tool which is available in the market to learn anything, to upgrade your skills or to code. With the conversation keep on increasing, the context window increases, and with time it starts to hallucinate. Sometimes it starts contradicting what it has said before, and that creates a lot of confusion and a lot of problem for the person who is actually using that tool. And when you actually use such kind of prompting in coding environment, in engineering environment, while developing things, the code quality degrades and you will actually accumulate bugs. And when it comes to engineering at big tech companies, that is not accepted. That's why companies are moving from prompting to orchestration, and that's why you need to upskill in that. So first is workflow, not random prompts. You define some instruction, set of instruction, repeatable instruction that AI agent can follow every time before starting. For example, you want to design a feature, so there is a spec instruction that you have given to your agent. It will take the context of the spec and then only start reading your prompt that whatever feature you want to build, I'll have to follow these repeatable steps every time. So there is a workflow of doing a spec review for that feature. Second is continuation verification. Multiple AI agents will work together. For instance, first the spec reviewer will do his job, then it do a handoff to the second implementation agent, for instance, or architect agent, and they will design the implementation plan, what needs to be implemented. And then the testing agent will take care, the coder agent will take care, the documentation agent will take care, and these all will coordinate with each other. Once the job of first is done, it will hand off to the other, and so on and so forth. So there is a continuous verification. Things are being completed and it is moving forward. The third and the most important pillar is spec driven development. The first prompt that you will provide, which include everything about your feature, the specification, the constraints, the historical context around the feature, or whatever app you want to build, is something you need to take care in the spec driven development. Now this is the whole context about what AI orchestration is, what all topics it depends on. If you still have doubt, make sure to comment down below, and if you're watching the video till now, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe button if you haven't yet. Now I'll show you a proper demo how AI orchestration actually works using an amazing tool called Zenflow. It's a feature of Zencoder. Zencoder, I have already created tutorials in the past. You can check them out. It's an AI coding agent tool, and Zenflow is another offering by Zencoder which offers tons of features, from building everything from scratch to fixing bugs, and everything is so well managed because it is the soul of this particular product is AI orchestration. How you can manage AI to do things, to fix bugs, to create specifications, to build things end to end. I'll show you with an example how we'll build an interview question generation app. We will be choosing a specific model and then writing all the specification, the input and the output and the expectation that we have from that particular feature. The interface looks pretty simple. You just have to go to their website to download this for Windows or Mac OS. Once you download it, you have to sign in with your Gmail free of cost and start using the free trial version. Give all the details about what model you want to use, Zencoder's model or Codex model or Claude model, and then just start. That's all you have to do, and then you have to, it will plan out. First of all, the planning agent will plan out all the steps, and then it will divide into multiple steps first of all, and all those steps will be taken care by different agents, and there will be a continuous verification and a handoff. And you can see in the demo as well, things are happening one by one, and the plan has documented into multiple steps, divided the whole process into multiple steps. Why does this matter for you? This is a new emerging role which is AI engineer role, not ML engineer, no software software engineer, not any other role, but an emerging role, AI engineer role, and the salary is going to be amazing in the future. You can expect 20 to 30 lakh fresher salary for this particular role, considering you would have decent experience in development and you have done some good projects. Every other company will be willing to hire you because this is the skill of the future. Every other company wants to have AI engineers who can build workflows, who can, with reduced cost, they can build things pretty efficiently and manage AI. And you can learn this today itself by using Zenflow. The link is mentioned in the description. Go check it out. And if you still feel doubt, just comment down below and I would love to help you out. And if you like more such videos on the channel, make sure to subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. And it's all free. You will get a free trial if you use the link in the description below. Bye.